This is that cow print skirt that I was talking about that I wore the other day. It is really cute, but I got it in a size large, and you could really tell even in my little fit check video that I did that it's too big for me. I need a medium, but I'm going to go ahead and pull this because I'm probably never going to wear it again since it is so big on me. This is a denim skirt that I bought from TJ Maxx a couple years ago. It's a 29. It fits really, really snug. Plus I feel like it's kind of dated. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this from my closet just because I have not wore it in so long. Now this is a little brown corduroy skirt. I've had this for a few years. I'm pretty sure I bought this when we lived in Fleming Island. Again, TJ Maxx. Yeah, Kinsey brand. I shop at TJ Maxx a lot if you haven't noticed. Anyways, I've wore this several times. And again, like the other one, I feel like it's a little dated. And I haven't wore it in like 2 or 3 years. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this one as well. This is a really fun sparkly skirt. I bought this 6 years ago. I never wore it because I had a fupa. Again, I had a tummy tuck. I wore it on New Year's. That was my first time ever wearing it. And that was probably going to be the last time I wear it. I don't know why. I think I wore it that day just because I had never worn it. And I don't know. I don't love it. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it too. I'm going to go ahead and pull these. This is a pair of Levi's. I bought these whenever we lived in Fleming. It was a few years ago. There are holes in both of the knees, so there is distressing. They are a straight cut, but I don't really have the right kind of shoes to wear with them, and they are kind of long on me. So I can't wear them with heels, and I can't wear them with flats. So I just normally don't wear them, and used to, I would like cuff them, which that, you know, was kind of like an okay thing to do. And now I feel like the cuff look is kind of like dated, and I haven't wore these in probably 2 or 3 years. So I am going to go ahead and list these on my Mercari. So this is a pair of Express jeans from the 1970s collection. They are slightly acid wash. It's not like a full-blown acid wash. They are also very high-waisted. They have a raw hem with a slit up the side. I think I wore these maybe a couple of times, and I don't know. I don't love the way they fit on me. And so they are Express. I think I've worn them maybe 3 times, and I never wear them, and they are taking up space in my closet. So I'm going to go ahead and list these too. Okay, this is a pair of faux leather Spanx. They are size medium, but I literally have not wore faux leather Spanx in like 4 years, I think. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of them. I probably am going to kick myself later for doing this, but I literally never reach for them. So I'm going to go ahead and list them. They are Spanx. They're in great shape, so they will be listed pretty high. But yeah, I think it's time to say goodbye to the faux leather Spanx. Here's another pair of faux leather leggings. They are more of the pleather material, and I think I got these from Ross a couple years ago, and much like the other ones, I just don't wear them. I don't know, maybe it's just because faux leather leggings or that style is no longer like cool or whatever, but I'm going to go ahead and pull these as well. So this is a pair of cropped black denim. They're like faded black denim. I'm pretty sure these were sent to me from Halara a few years ago. Yeah, they're a size small. They're pretty sure these are just like the cut of them is why I don't wear them. Like they're very stretchy. They fit perfect, but I think it's the length that kind of messes with me. I'm 5'5", and so to have cropped, it has to be cropped high enough without making me look like I'm flooding. And these, I just look like I'm flooding. And so I think that's why I never wear them. So I'm going to go ahead and list these as well. Here's a pair of black slacks. Pretty sure from Cato's. Yes, a size small. There's a bow tie in the front. It is attached. You cannot remove it. They are wide leg. This was my go-to pair of black slacks, but I stopped wearing them because I could not remove the tie. So like it's okay sometimes, but then a lot of times I want to wear a different belt, and with these it just limited me, so I literally just stopped grabbing for them. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get these listed with the rest. All right, so this is a pair of wide leg like carpenter style pants with the side pockets. These are from Aeropostale. They are a size medium, if I'm not mistaken, and utility. That's what they're called. utility cargo pants. That's what these are called. So I got these for Christmas from my kids like 2 years ago. And after I washed them, they shrunk and they're too short. And I flooded them. And that's one thing that I just cannot stand is to have flooding pants. So I'm 5'5". So if you are interested in these, head over to Mercari and put in an offer for them. But literally worn one time and then I washed them and they shrunk up. So if you're shorter than 5'5", then these might be a perfect fit for you. Next up that I'm getting rid of is, and they're wonky on the hanger, is this pair of like black slacks. They're kind of like leggings, but they're a little more loose fitting and they look more like business trousers with the faux pockets in the back. And then there are buttons. So these are not leggings, but they are stretch. These are the brand Soho. They're a size medium. They fit me fine. There's absolutely nothing wrong with them. I just don't wear them. Like I don't have an office job or anything like that. And so they're literally, they've been hanging in my closet and moving from house to house with me. And I probably haven't worn them in 5 years, to be completely honest. But they're very stretchy and they're just taking up space in my closet. Like I said, I apparently buy the same thing in multiples. If I like it, then I buy it in multiples. Because this is the same situation. They're like dress pants. They have like the faux trouser pocket in the back. They are stretch, but we have this little elastic piece on the side. I hope you can see this because I'm not like, you're not in selfie mode. We have faux pockets in the front. So they look like business trousers, but I don't wear them. Kind of like the other ones. Look, that's dust. I'm probably going to have to wash these before I sell them because they're just collecting dust at this point. So they got to go. Okay, so here's a pair of actual like business pants. These are from Express. They're a cream color. I think I have worn these one time in the past 5 years maybe. And so it's got to be the cream thing. We've got pockets. They are Express. I'm pretty sure theirs says 10. Oh, they're medium. Okay. We've got a little bit of stretch. There are no pockets in the back, but they are like tapered, so there's a slight crop to them. So if you work in an office setting, these would probably be perfect for you. But like I said, I don't have a day job, and I've worn them one time in probably 5 years. All right, here's a pair of slacks from Cato's. They are a size small. They're like this taupey tan color. We have buttons that look like they're in front of pockets. Those are not real pockets, and there are no pockets on the back. They're like a wide leg. They're like a straight wide leg, but they're not super wide. These I think I wore for a video or something. I know I wore them at one point in some photos, maybe whenever I was blogging and I needed a pair of khaki pants. But I have not wore these probably since we lived in Hot Springs, and that I think we sold that house in 2021. So that's how long it's been at least since I've wore them. So yeah, but there's literally nothing wrong with them. I think I wore them maybe twice, and that was it. Here's a pair of corduroy olive green pants from Halara. These were sent to me. I wore them once, and they shrunk, and I flooded them. Running theme. I do not like to flood, and I find that a lot of companies make material and they shrink after I wash and dry them. So yeah, other than that, only been worn once, and there is an elastic waistband with button and zipper and pockets in the front. This is a pair of wide leg businessy type crop pants. These were sent to me a couple years ago. They are a size medium, but they are a little snug in my midsection. So I am normally a medium, but they just run really small. So if you are normally a small, these would probably be perfect on you. I love this color, like pink. Outside of black, pink is my next favorite color. But they're so adorable and they're slightly cropped. So cute for spring and summer with the wide legs. You could easily wear these to the office or church, but they just are a little snug across my waist area. The last pair of pants, it looks like these are also corduroy from Halara, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, these are a size medium as well. Elastic at the waist. We've got pockets. They're wide leg. Same situation with the green ones. They shrunk and I flooded them, which I really hate it because like the material is like so thick, but I cannot stand to flood. So just like the green ones, actually I'm probably going to put these with the green ones and do like a bundle. I think I'm going to do that. There we have it. So much more space. Oh my gosh, this makes me so happy. Holy smokes, that's a lot of clothes that I have got to get listed. I cannot believe that that's like half my closet. This is literally a whole wardrobe. If somebody wants to shoot me an offer of like $100, I will like sell you all this for like $100 and then you can just take all of it and I'll just be done with it. But then we have this over here that we still have to go through. This video is going to be so long. Oh my gosh.